Today's gonna be a little bit different. I really wanted to do an unboxing video, and Shay really wanted to cook me venison steak. So we're gonna do a little bit of both. And what better cool video than if it includes watches and knives, because this is a tactical product. I'm gonna do kind of a cool fancy facade, like slow motion, different frames of this pen, because why not? I think that'd be kind of neat. Seriously, it's venison steak wrapped in bacon. Ugh. Everyone's been looking for Shay in my videos, especially since we started season 2. She's back. This right here, get this. Ow, I just got freaking splashed.
That's what you get for putting me in your video as cooking. Not as someone who's actually a character, just a woman cooking. That's what you get. My venison steak popped you.
Let me go ahead and open this. I think it's a push out. Look at that. Look at that. That's fancy.
Just keeps growing.
That's fancy.
Is that fancy?
I'm gonna leave that right there. A little bit of salt in there, which is great. Bubble wrapped.
Salt? It's got salt in there?
This lighting isn't that great. Let me see if I can improve that.
We're getting fancy up in here.
We're gonna change the lighting. GPCA, or General Purpose California, is a US-based company stationed out of Sunnyvale, California. With the goal of developing authentic, top-tier products for adventurous and adventurous in soul, they have truly engineered the last pen you'll ever need. While most don't consider a pen as a useful piece of hardware that can last a lifetime, GPCA has developed a mind-blowing product that culminates every design element that you never knew you needed. The GP1945 Bolt Action Plus pen is comprised of a tungsten steel survival glass breaker, military rescue whistle, has a 2-stage pen clip latch, a subtle 1-inch or 1 centimeter measuring device, diamond knurling for grip, comes in an aluminum or titanium unibody, and most distinguishably, a patented bolt-action locking mechanism. Not only is it a timeless instrument, but a functional everyday carry tool with a mission revolving around creating, enjoying, and saving a life. Truly the last pen you'll ever need,